In this quick video, I'll show you how to buy Safemoon using Binance step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and then log in. So unfortunately, you cannot buy Safemoon using Binance because Safemoon is not supported by Binance. But instead, you can transfer your funds into Trust Wallet and then buy using PancakeSwap. So let's go to Wallet here, click Overview, click Withdraw. So for example, you want to withdraw BNB, click BNB, go to your Trust Wallet, click Smart Chain, click Receive, click copy the address, and then paste it here. You don't need to change the network because the wallet address automatically matches the corresponding network, which is the BSC network. Then choose your wallet here. If you have your funds in Spot Wallet, click in here, and if you have your funds in Funding Wallet, click here. And then type the amount of BNB you want to withdraw, but make sure it is 0.01 BNB and above. So for example, I want to withdraw 0.01 BNB. Then I will receive this amount of BNB. Click withdraw, click confirm, click continue, and then just fill up all this information. So you will gonna need to type down your authenticator code, your email verification code, and your phone number verification code. Then click submit and wait for the transaction to be completed. Once the transaction has been completed, go to your Trust Wallet and check if you have received the BNB. And then go to PancakeSwap.finance, connect your wallet, and then go to trade here, click swap, click here, type down Safemoon, click here. So there's a notice for trading Safemoon, and you must use the new contract address in order to avoid complete loss of your assets. So click here, copy the address by clicking here, go to your Trust Wallet, click here, click add custom token, click Smart Chain, and then paste the address. Then click add token, scroll down, and you'll see your Safemoon token in Trust Wallet. So let's go back to PancakeSwap.finance. Then, for example, you want to withdraw 0.01 BNB, and then you will receive this amount of Safemoon in your Trust Wallet. And then once you have typed down the amount of BNB you want to swap, click swap here, and a confirmation from Trust Wallet will pop up, and you will gonna need to pay for the gas fee. So make sure that you have a BNB token in your Trust Wallet. Then once you have paid for the gas fee, go to Trust Wallet and check if you have received the Safemoon in your Trust Wallet. And if you have any questions about how to buy Safemoon using Binance, leave a comment below.